Okay, this is video number 2 of what's going wrong with my E60. As you can see, we've got another cell phone here. I've got an OBD2 code reader down there plugged into the OBD port. We're going to bring up torque free. Let's go ahead and start the car. So it already sounds horrible. The misfire is definitely there. We've still got all the same other errors. Now I'm going to bring up my code reader with torque. We're going to go under actions. We're going to show the logged faults. Or we're going to wait for the thing to connect to the OBD2, which may take a second here. Make sure my Bluetooth is on and that it's connected right. Okay, so now we're connected to the satellite, the GPS, and the car, and we're showing okay. As you see, all 4 icons on torque are okay. We're going to bring up actions and we're going to show the logs faults. And I've got faults all over the place, so this car will never pass smog as it sits. You've got error code 301, 302, 300, 301, 302, 305, 300, 305. Now if we go through these codes, misfire in cylinder 1 is 301, cylinder 2 likewise, cylinder 5 likewise, and 300 is the misfire on multiple cylinders. So something's definitely wrong with the front right, with the passenger's bank of the car. It is getting a little frustrating because I've driven the car all of 800 miles. As we discussed before, the car already had 1,000 more miles on than it was promised to me. So there are issues all over the place with this thing, and I'm just very, very, very frustrated trying to get this figured out. This 302 is a cylinder 2 misfire. We're going to go 305, which should be a cylinder 5 misfire. Cylinder 5 misfire. And if you look back at the dash cam, you can see that when the car is in reduced power mode, it lowers the red line to 5,000 RPM, the yellow line at 4,500. So there's definitely something massively wrong with this thing. So gonna try and figure out a few things. That already went over to the mechanic shop. He could get into it, but he said it could probably be very expensive. So we're trying to figure this out.